What's up? So here's the deal, guys. This is that Clean Flight Huff and Puff. You guys named it Huff and Puff. It's old. I don't know what I was thinking. Yesterday I could have offered you some HD footage if I had just gone through my GoPro mounts. This is a wrist strap for your arm, which allows you to angle a GoPro anywhere. And I realized that could have probably offered you guys HD. So I woke up today and I'm like, you know what? Let's see how this thing flies with a camera on it. So this is running Clean Flight 1, like the original version of Clean Flight. And yeah, I put a 100C battery in it in hopes that it can handle that kind of weight. So it's got more weight to it now. It's definitely a lot heavier, and it's got a GoPro Hero 4, which technically doesn't really weigh that much. But now we're adding in a mount, the nut, the case around it, and the GoPro, plus a larger battery. So it'll be interesting to see what kind of flight time this old beast gets with a Hero 4 on it, no stabilization. And then you guys will get to see how wonky this thing really flies. I don't know if I'm going to get too crazy out here because I have no idea what that battery's going to do with the extra weight of the camera, like climb the tower. I don't know. We'll see. I'll put it up. I may just go straight for the tower first, attack the tower, and then come down, but not having air mode active in Clean Flight is really difficult to do throttle control when dumping the throttle for a dive and stuff. So may not be doing too much of that crazy stuff, but I may climb up the tower and then exit off to the left like I normally do, just because it makes more sense. So let's get this thing in the air and see what happens.
I am a drone hobby enthusiast. I would never use my drone in a way that contradicts the drone hobbyist code of conduct.
I don't know what to do!